I collected these marine samples around 240 days ago, and back then they were very biodiverse. They contained a wide variety of microbes. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at them now, and see if anything is still alive in these samples. The algae in the jars died, and now the jars contain this brown matter. Under the microscope, it is revealed that the brown matter is actually cyanobacteria, which is a group of bacteria capable of producing oxygen through photosynthesis. Oxygen and nutrients produced by cyanobacteria help sustain a population of ciliates, which are still alive until now. However, the vast majority of other life forms are completely gone. This is another sample. In this one, cyanobacteria is growing under the sand, directly on the surface of the container, because light is available in this area. The surface of the sample is completely covered in a biofilm of cyanobacteria, so I took a chunk of the biofilm using a pipette and placed it on a microscope slide. Then I placed the cover slip directly on the chunk of the biofilm. I wear gloves because I can never really know what other types of bacteria exist in the biofilm. Then I placed it under the microscope so I can observe it under 400 times magnification. After placing the phone camera directly on the eyepiece, we can now take a closer look at the cyanobacteria. A little bit deeper in the cyanobacterial biofilm, I was able to find ciliates. Ciliates were also present under the sand. So, in conclusion, while some life still remains after 240 days, the vast majority of organisms have disappeared, and the biodiversity has decreased greatly. If you are interested to see what the samples looked like when they were freshly collected, check out the video shown here. And that's the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.